Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this cute retro half up, half down ponytail, keep watching.
Perfect.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Alright, let's get into this. So I blow dried my hair this morning and had it tied up. Don't mind me, I'm just making sure there's no knots in here. So the first thing you'll want to do is create a triangle section in the front, off the round of your head. We're going to use this section and style it to the side later. I'm just showing you how big my section is, and we're just going to clip this away for now. Next, you'll want to create another section. I'm taking this section from the front of one ear and taking that section all the way to the other side. I'm going to leave this front part out and just tie up the rest so it's out of the way for now. Okay, now I'm going to gather all of this remaining hair and start brushing it into a high ponytail on the top of my head. I'm using this flexible hairspray by Fatboy. I don't need a super strong crunchy hold, just enough for everything to sit nice and neat for the day. I'm brushing that into my hair and just making a really nice high ponytail. I'm definitely going to need to clean up under this front section here. There are a bunch of untamed baby hairs. Oh my goodness. I'm going to use some edge control. I love this olive oil edge control. It doesn't leave the hair too stiff, but it provides a great hold and shine for my baby hairs. So I'm just going to brush that into my ponytail again, but it seems I've brushed some hairs out of place, so I'm just going to redo this because I want everything to look nice and neat. Okay, that's already looking a lot better than what I had going on before. Let's tie this up and then we can finish up with the rest of the hair. So I did a quick blow dry earlier, and now I'm just going to be doing some smoothing out. You're going to need a round brush and a blow dryer, and I'm just going to go over this top half right here, blow drying everything towards the back. I want this ponytail to keep its volume, so I like that. And I'm just going to blow dry the rest of my hair inwards. I'm keeping the brush on the inside of my hair. If you want more of a defined flip, you can go ahead and use a straightening iron or a curling iron. I wanted to use minimal heat on my hair, and I'm pretty happy with the bevel this created. Now on the other side, I'm just keeping the brush on the inside of my hair again so that I create a nice little flip. Keep it rounded, and I'm really happy with how that's looking. So for the front part of my hair, I'm just going to use a little hairspray before I brush everything down. I don't want there to be any flyaways. I want everything to look nice and smooth. And you know, it's optional if you want to pin it back. You could also leave it out if you wanted to. That looks cute too. But for today's look, I'm going to be using a bobby pin and just tucking it away because I want it to create a nice swoop in the front of my face. Now I'm going to be using a little bit of shine spray. I love this stuff. This is Shimmer Me Blonde by Kevin Murphy. It has purple mica crystals to take out any brassiness in your hairstyle. I love this stuff and it smells amazing. It's not greasy, it just produces a little bit of shine in the hair. I'm feeling really good about this. It's looking really cute so far. Just gonna add a little bit more hairspray for good luck. You know, smooth everything down again. So this is going to be the finishing touch if you want it to look really official. I'm just going to take one piece of hair from my half ponytail and wrap it around to hide the scrunchie. Then you can secure that little final piece with a bobby pin. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, see you next time.